My first moto, I got second. Second moto, the bike seized up, and then my third moto, I tried to get on the podium, but my bike shut off once or twice. And then I ended up like 20th place probably. And the week been going good, and now I'm about to get on a senior next year. Right.
Wow.
Horne second. We have somehow not seen Waldell. He's been sneaking past us every time.
Yeah.
So Waldell second early. Our leader on the number 4, Grayson Porco, went down. Anderson Waldell takes the lead. Landon Horne second, and Zayden McCabe on the number 41.
Your leader now, the number 94 of Landon Horne, I believe, has taken over the point on 94 machine.
From third.
There he is. He is your leader. The big 94 on the back of his bib. And they actually use those when they're eating their Cheerios, sitting in their little baby chairs. These are very usable bibs for these kids.
Yeah, Landon. All right, tell me about your race, Landon.
Yeah, it was good. End up whatever place, I don't care. I'm just glad I won. And it's hot out here.
It is. Probably gonna get hotter for the other motos. That's bad news. But the good news is I know you got people you want to thank, so let's hear it.
God, Mom and Dad, my Nina, my Mimi, my brothers, everybody back at home too, and everybody that helped, and MotoX, and ProFlow, AOT, Motocross Fest, just typically anything.
All right, awesome. Let's hear it for him. Landon Horne, good job. All right, second place.